Think of the word glacier. What comes to mind? Antarctica, Canada, Greenland, all of those are right.
I'm on a tour bus going up into the mountains. That's what I'm here to show you.
But have you considered Pakistan? That's right, there are teeny tiny ones and they still exist. Today we're checking out the one called Hopper Glacier, located inside the Hopper Valley region of Gilgit-Baltistan. It involves a bit of a drive and some hiking, but it's like nothing you've ever seen.
We're in the Hunza Valley doing a super cool hike, and there's a lot of people that really are enjoying seeing us here.
Hi.
Hello.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm fine.
Yeah, friendly faces all around. If you're not good at altitude, you're gonna have a hard time here.
The bus dropped us off at this place called Hopper Valley, where we do a pretty decent hike. And I'm somewhat of a hiker myself, but here, let's do the whole thing in reverse. It's time to go down.
No shame. You gotta know your limits.
This is pretty steep.
So as you're descending lower and lower into this ice sheet, it starts to get colder, which is nice when you're going down, and the altitude isn't killing you either.
Super chilly, man. It's really nice. We're gonna be climbing on glaciers in Pakistan. It's falling off.
You know, all these ice in the summer, he's staying here, but just melting in the winter, so it'll expand again.
Top challenges of this hike: 1, finding stable footing; 2, dealing with a bit of altitude sickness. So you put those two things together, you get a hike that's kind of difficult. This is the end of the ice glacier walk in Hunza Valley. Okay, I'm gonna do it all in reverse. So supposedly, from where I am now, you can see K2, pretty similar to Everest in terms of elevation. Not directly from here, but you can drive an hour. I'm supposed to be going up there, and it's already a huge pain. Just know that if you ever decide to come to Pakistan and do hiking, you're gonna have to contend with that. Happy to say that I made it back in one piece. Whoa, this is Nestle Viewpoint?
Yeah.
Like Nestle, the company?
Yeah, Nestle. Company just put the name Nestle Viewpoint, but it's
Really?
the Hopper Viewpoint.
So what did they do? Like, did they sponsor?
Yeah, they can give a sponsor. It's
Oh, wow. That's crazy.
Now, if there's anything worth doing again, it's probably the drive up to the mountain that dropped us off at Hopper Valley in the first place. So we did that same drive again and went back down into the city to go back to our hotel.
So now we're getting into town. There's still tourism and it's popping around here. Hello. See, people seem really friendly, you know, they're giving me the thumbs up and all that. So yeah, life keeps on going. The people in all the villages here, they're all very, very friendly. Hello.
Once all that was said and done, we got back to our hotel in Hunza and something else unexpected happened. Where should I stand or sit here? I got asked to do a mini interview.
So my name is Eric and I stayed at the Best Western room here in the Hunza Valley. It's been a really cool experience. The hotel is really, really nice. I really like the amenities here, and I had a cool opportunity to see these really amazing mountains in the area. I was really thankful to come to this area and just to see some of the natural wonders. I would recommend this hotel if you're coming into the region. I've had an awesome stay so far.
All of that is true. Just don't take the elevator. I don't know what I was expecting. Maybe I was just pleasantly surprised. The main difference, of course, is there's not a lot of tourists here, so people are really excited to see you.